Gearheads, it's time for a fresh countdown. Today we're diving into the best brake rotor options that will stop on a dime and keep your ride safe. From drilled and slotted designs to high-carbon builds and performance ceramics, these picks promise better bite, reduced brake fade, and eye-catching curb appeal. Today, I'm going to be going over the best brake rotor that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ACDelco 18 A925A. This front brake rotor is designed to deliver dependable, factory-grade performance without the premium price of a performance rotor. Forged from high-strength cast iron, these rotors embody a careful balance between durability and cost, offering a straightforward replacement that fits the hub pattern and wheel mounting in a long list of vehicles. The design is vented, featuring internal channels that help move heat away from the friction surface, which reduces the risk of brake fade during repeated stops or hilly drives. Venting also helps keep the pad surface cooler, which can extend pad life and maintain consistent bite as your drive continues. With a non-coated finish, these rotors rely on a robust core to resist wear, but you should expect a light surface rust to appear if the vehicle sits in wet weather. Quick wash and proper bedding in of new pads will usually restore a clean surface and maximize performance. Installation is commonly straightforward for a do-it-yourself mechanic with basic hand tools. Rotor's thickness and diameter are chosen to match most OEM brake systems for a direct fit replacement, meaning you can avoid the guesswork that comes with aftermarket rotors that are not tuned to your vehicle. Machining is performed to tight tolerances, reducing the chance of rotor wobble or pedal pulsation after installation. To ensure longevity, pair this rotor with high-quality pads and a fresh set of guide pins or caliper hardware if necessary, and perform a bedding-in procedure so the pad surface wears uniformly and forms a quick, stable transfer layer on the rotor. Overall, the ACDelco 18 A925A offers a reliable, everyday braking solution that makes it easy to keep a vehicle safe on a budget. Compared to the Roan Concepts front rear brake kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this rotor prioritizes dependable, factory-like performance over aggressive surface treatments and the broad front rear kit approach. The line between everyday reliability and high-performance capability is tested here, as this rotor is designed not to break the bank while still delivering solid, predictable stopping power in all weather conditions. The decision to choose a non-coated rotor can be ideal for drivers who prefer a simple, proven design and plan to pair the rotor with proven, widely available ceramic or semi-metallic pads. In the end, the user gets a product that fits a large universe of vehicles, reduces the risk of vibration with proper torquing and bedding-in procedures, and provides a comfortable baseline for everyday braking control. This is a product that blends compatibility, reliability, and cost efficiency, while still delivering the key benefits of cast iron rotor performance, including resistance to warping and robust. At number 4, we have the Roan Concepts front rear brake kit. This kit represents a more aggressive approach to braking with a front rear setup that includes rotors and mounting hardware engineered for durability and performance. Front rotors are often drilled and slash or slotted, a design choice intended to improve heat dissipation and pad bite by providing channels for gas, dust, and cooling air to escape rapidly during hard braking. Rear rotors in the kit are built to match the front in balance, helping maintain even braking force and reducing the likelihood of unexpected rear-end vibration under heavy use. What makes this kit distinctive is the emphasis on consistent, high-pressure braking across both axles, a feature that many drivers notice during repeated stop-and-go driving or when towing light loads. Rotor surfaces are machined with high precision to minimize runout, ensuring that the pedal feel remains smooth and free of pulsations even on rough roads. In addition, the kit often includes hardware like anti-rattle clips and new caliper guide pins, making installation more predictable and less likely to produce squeal or noise when new pads bed in. Compared to the ACDelco 18 A925A, which I have included as number 5 on this list, this kit offers enhanced heat management and a broader, coordinated approach to braking on both the front and rear wheels. While it may require a larger upfront investment, the payoff is a more confident feel under spirited driving, with quicker ramp-up and a firmer, more linear pedal response. Drivers who prioritize performance on winding roads or steep descents may find this kit particularly appealing, as the paired front and rear rotors can resist fade more effectively than a single-axle solution. The kit is designed to be versatile across many vehicle platforms, making it a popular choice for enthusiasts who want a ready-made, balanced upgrade that preserves daily usability while delivering stronger overall braking performance. In practice, bedding in is critical with this type of setup, because even slight rotor surface differences between front and rear can impact weight transfer and pedal feedback. With With proper installation torque and bedding procedures, you should experience a clear upgrade over stock, especially in terms of heat dissipation, pedal firmness, and predictable stopping power. This is a strong option for drivers who want a comprehensive replacement that aligns with a performance mindset without stepping into exotic rotor technology. At number 3, we have the PowerStop KOE3032. This one-click replacement brake kit combines rotors and friction material in a package designed to simplify installation and optimize brake performance. The rotors are typically treated with a protective coating that helps resist corrosion during exposure to road salt and humid conditions, a feature especially valuable for drivers in areas with wet seasons. Kit's pads are generally ceramic or semi-metallic, chosen to balance low dust production with strong initial bite and long wear life, while still providing consistent stop power throughout the service life. Braking hardware is included or readily compatible, allowing a straightforward swap that minimizes the risk of noise or caliper sticking after installation. One significant benefit of this kit is the readily achievable bedding process. The manufacturer often provides a recommended drive cycle that helps the new pads and rotors establish an even transfer film quickly, leading to quiet operation and a steady pedal feel after the first 1,000 miles. In terms of heat management, this kit can perform well in everyday driving and moderate heavy braking scenarios, maintaining stable friction temperatures to avoid glazing on the rotor surface. Compared to the Roan Concepts front rear brake kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this package emphasizes ease of installation and a compact, all-in-one approach that suits drivers who want a guided upgrade without sourcing multiple components separately. Balance between cost, convenience, and performance makes PowerStop KOE3032 a compelling choice for daily drivers who still demand reliable braking during occasional sustained stops or mountain drives, while staying mindful of noise and dust characteristics. Many users, the decision comes down to whether they want a full front rear upgrade or top-tier single-axle kit. This option hits a middle ground with straightforward use, improved heat management versus stock, and a practical expectation of rotor wear and pad life. Long-term, you can expect better consistency and reduced fade compared with passive, stock rotors, provided you follow bedding-in protocols and replacement intervals. This is a well-rounded kit that aligns with a practical, performance-minded driver's expectations. At number 2, we have the Detroit Axle Front Brake Kit. This kit delivers a budget-friendly but robust approach to stopping power, pairing rotors with pads and the essential hardware to make an install straightforward for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Rotors themselves are typically cast iron with a machined friction surface, designed to be compatible with a wide array of vehicle makes and models, whether you're updating a daily commuter or bringing an older SUV back to life. Finish on these rotors is generally plain or lightly anti-corrosion treated, which means light rust may appear after exposure to moisture, but the core metal remains durable and capable of resisting heat during normal driving. Included pads are selected to offer a balanced blend of bite, wear resistance, and quiet operation, aiming to reduce dust and rotor glazing while maintaining predictable pedal feel. One of the practical benefits of this kit is value. You often gain a solid replacement package without paying the premium associated with performance-oriented kits, making it a popular choice for family vehicles or fleets where cost matters as much as stopping power. Proper bedding in and torquing are important here to ensure even wear and to minimize potential chatter or rotor warp. Compared to the PowerStop KOE3032, which I have included as number 3 on this list, this Detroit axle kit emphasizes affordability and broad compatibility over an all-in-one premium bedding protocol, appealing to those who want a reliable, no-frills upgrade that keeps the brakes safe without complicating maintenance. As with any brake upgrade, customers should verify hub size, bolt pattern, and thickness compatibility with their vehicle's calipers and wheels to ensure a clean, quiet operation over thousands of miles and under a variety of weather conditions. At number 1, we have the ACDelco 18 A1428A. This premium-grade rotor is engineered to deliver dependable, long-life service, with a focus on smooth, consistent braking performance suitable for daily driving, commuting, and light to moderate towing. Rotor material is cast iron, selected for strength, thermal stability, and a balance of wear resistance and cost efficiency, with a finish that helps minimize the risk of glazing under typical braking conditions. This rotor is designed with precise machining to maintain tight run-out tolerances, an important factor in keeping pedal feel smooth and preventing uneven wear that can lead to pulsation or vibration. Surface is tailored for compatibility with a wide range of brake pads, from OEM replacements to performance-oriented options, making it a versatile choice for owners who want predictable braking responses across weather, road conditions, and miles. Its non-coated option means you should be mindful of rust spots developing after prolonged moisture exposure, but the sturdy core remains durable and easy to maintain with standard cleaning and bedding in steps. Installation is straightforward for a competent DIY enthusiast or professional, and the rotor is designed to mount on common hub patterns with the correct lug spacing. Pairing this rotor with quality pads and following a careful bedding-in procedure helps to maximize the rotor's life and ensure a steady, confident pedal feel. Compared to the Detroit Axle front brake kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this ACDelco rotor offers a more premium, OEM-minded approach focused on refined braking consistency, long-term reliability, and a quieter, more predictable response in everyday driving. It is a strong choice for drivers who value a calm, dependable brake system over the course of many miles, and who prioritize high-quality components that align with the vehicle's original braking characteristics. The result is a braking feel that remains linear and predictable as you approach stop signs, highway ramps, or steep grades, delivering confidence with every pedal application.